remember, not too long ago, I was at this beautiful home with this expansive patio that they couldn't use all of it because why? The sun was brutal. It was coming right through and half the patio was just too hot to use, so they installed a shade. So guess what they did? They loved it so much they installed another one. Now this beautiful expansive patio is 100% usable, not only in the summertime, but in the winter time too, because you know what it does? It keeps it nice and warm in here. Nice and cool in the summer and nice and warm in the winter. And you know who did all this beautiful work here? This is Robert Mulvin, the owner of All Pro Shade Concepts. So Robert, this happens to you all the time.
Yeah.
People will order a big, huge shade and then go, wow, why didn't I do the whole patio?
Yeah.
And that's what's happened.
Yeah, it happens at least twice a month, 3 times a month. We've done over 25,000 roller shades now in the last 17 years. So this isn't new, but I knew he would want it as soon as we installed it. Same thing when we were here filming last time. I was like, he's gonna get it.
Yeah.
But now it's like, this space is west, so it's brutal in the afternoon.
Oh,
it's just
absolutely.
Scorching.
Unusable. And if you look down here, you could see through the whole patio area how well it's protected. And like I said, not just from the sun in the summertime, but in the wintertime, you know, you can put some heaters in here, and you've got this beautiful patio that's nice and warm. Okay, let's go down here because the expansion continued. So then they added this as well, which was this huge.
This is huge.
You said this is one of the largest ones.
One of the larger ones we've installed. He had this one, and he figured, this space is north. We're not going to need it. But the sun, when it starts to shift, it comes in here like crazy.
Right.
So now this entire, I mean, this is probably 1,000 square feet or more, was just unusable.
Right.
And they'd have to hide behind the pillars to hide from the sun. Now
I've done that before, right? Yeah, exactly.
The whole thing.
So let's talk about, because if you haven't heard of All Pro Shade Concepts before, Robert, you've been on the show, I don't know, a couple years now. You offer up these types of shades that they're automated. They have sensors on them for the wind. We've had some brutal wind here, so it's good to have a sensor. But let's talk about the color selection, because that's what all us ladies want to know about. What are our choices when it comes to that?
There's so many different fabric options and so many different densities that the colors are just, there's hundreds. So there's hundreds of options. We can match anything, your patio furniture, your walls, your two-tone paint, HOA requirements. There's just
that's a big one.
Tons of options and combinations that we can do to satisfy the customer.
To accommodate the ladies, right? Okay, let's talk about, so these are all automated. These are the roll-down shades. You also have the awnings that you can do as well. And that does help protect from the sun. But for some reason, I don't know, these just provide so much more.
Well, when you have a space this big, you want to kind of just close it off. When you have a tiny, a little bit narrow area, you want more expansiveness. So that's when you get the retractable awnings. He was set with this. So, he wanted to close it in and protect all his guests and all this furniture. This is custom, this is nice furniture. So you want to protect it. It's going to last 10 times longer if you have roller shades to just protect everything that you've invested.
And here's what else I want everybody to know because of what you do. You've been here in the Valley for probably going on 15. I was going to say longer because I forget how long ago we started. But you have your own team, your own crew. So somebody calls you, you send out somebody to do the measurements and show us our color selection, but it's your team that does the installation.
Everything's in-house. So we have our own installation team. We have a big facility over in Deer Valley Air Park. You can come check everything out. You can even see, your product on the shelf. If you took an order, you can see it out there. All installations, all sales, there's nothing sub. So everything's all good.
Yeah. The buck stops right here.
All right, and here's the best part. He also has a showroom now if you want to go check it out for yourself. It is by appointment only. So here's the deal, okay? Little special offer here. Robert just mentioned it. Free estimate and free installation. You can visit the showroom, just make an appointment at All Pro Shade Concepts at 623-204-1476 or visit the website to see and learn more, allproshadeconcepts.com. And you got home projects? Be sure and follow All Pro Shade Concepts and other businesses and services that can help you out. Find our list of Home Pro experts to make it easy, abc15.com/homepros.